When a brand that has got thousands of reviews comes to me and tells me I want to parent my items together, I often discourage it. What is on your mind today? Amazon problems, client issues? How can I help?
We have some parentage issues there. We want to integrate all of their ASINs into four different parents, but some of the ASINs are attached to parents owned by Amazon. So we cannot detach those childs from the parents owned by Amazon, and we cannot add childs to those parents. And Amazon is saying, like, we cannot do anything because you don't have control over those parents.
Is the brand trying to get us to make changes, or is this an internal idea?
The brand requesting. For example, this is a ground coffee, so you only see here two variations. Well, if you select it, you get it here.
Tell me high level, what are they trying to do? Are they trying to put flavors together?
Yeah, they're trying to integrate like 10 different variations under this same parent.
So typically, a big name brand having things connected may decrease sales. So when I type this in, 179 variations or results show up. Most of these are going to be from the brand itself. When I scroll down, we see 4 different Death Wish ads and then dozens of organic results. Some of the ads that are showing up right there are for other brands, that's normal. But you can see here just lots and lots of different Death Wish products. The other thing we notice is that some of these are one piece, some of these are sold by Amazon. So that means that the catalog manager at Amazon, the vendor manager, is setting up some of the attributions on their side. There's some benefits and disadvantages to this. The disadvantage, though, to having things connected together is when you type in a search keyword that they normally show up multiple products on. So, like, take these two products right here, dark roast and espresso roast. Both of those are showing up on search today. Now, one of them has 20,000 reviews, the other has 400. This one sells 2,000 a month, this one sells 1,000 a month. If we take organic and fair trade dark roast, organic fair trade, a little similar, right? So I'm going to open up another Amazon tab and I'm going to type in organic fair trade roast coffee. What I'm hoping happens is that we see multiple Death Wish coffee products, which we do. There's the first organic. So that's a third one. So this is, we got the dark roast there, got the espresso roast, and here we have the medium roast. There is the dark roast, which I think was this item right there. And there is the espresso roast, which is right there. So I've just demonstrated to you one of the disadvantages to connecting products together. If you connected the whole bean dark roast with the espresso roast together, when you typed in the keyword organic fair trade roast coffee, most likely both of those products would not show up at the same time, because when they're not parented, they're separate items. And in search, Amazon wants to see separate items. They're only going to show one item from a parentage. Typically, there are exceptions to this. The number one reason why you don't want to parent items together, you can get multiple ad coverage, multiple listing coverage in search results when they're not parented together. Having said all that, you may or may not convince that keeping them separate is a good idea. When a brand that has got thousands of reviews comes to me and tells me I want to parent my items together, I often discourage it. It could hurt sales because you get seen less, because multiple coverage in the search page is super beneficial. That's why I typically wouldn't want to parent together items that are doing exceptionally well by themselves. Now, if you came to me and said, hey, Death Wish is going to launch a brand new product and they want to parent it together, I would say absolutely every time you launch a new product, it should be parented if you can, because that old listing with 1,000 or 2,000 in sales will give the new listing a faster honeymoon period. It will lift it up. Selling on Amazon is hard. I know it, you know it. So let me know what problems you are experiencing and I'll shoot videos on that next.